So as we mentioned last week, we're here with the Todamakader, who's traveled from far and wide to come and hang with me thusly while we corn sitter. Say hi, Todd.
Hi, Todd.
While we corn sitter this here. Now, a guy just this morning, a guy named Joe, I'm afraid I'll mispronounce his last name, suggested that I tightened the intake manifold bolts. And he said it could be sucking a little oil through the intake manifold, and what if I tighten the bolts? And I said, dang, that's a good idea. Let's try that. So before we start it up, I'm gonna grab my little 9/16 wrench, not to be confused with the place where you keep horses. That one ought to do it. And we'll just give them a little snug, you know, especially where this number 6 piston is, which is where the smoke seemed to be coming from before. Let's see, righty tighty. That's clockwise. That's pretty snug right there. Let's try.
That doesn't get much more time.
I think that's snug. I think that's what you might be what you'd call down south good and snug. Wow. Yeah, I think that's good and snug.
Good and tight?
Good and tight. That's what they say in Germany. I think. I've never been to Germany. Oh yeah.
Well, I have.
I know, that's what I mean. You would know because
German specs.
that's what I mean. German what?
German specs.
German specs.
Good and tight.
I like it. Well, I did tighten them, but nothing happened because they're already tight. But I mean, you know.
You never know.
You never know till you try, right? Okay, I'm gonna cut the camera off while I explain to ToddyBob what's gonna happen next. Well, I could leave the camera on. You wanna let the YouTubers just be a part of this? So, ToddyBob, since before you were here since last time you were here, there did not used to be any springage in the seats.
No.
You'd sit down pretty much on the floor.
Yes.
Since that time, I have invented spring seats.
Springy seats.
Which changes everything. However,
I like it.
yeah, it moves me a little bit closer to the steering wheel.
I don't like that.
And I don't know if you can sit in the spring seats and get your legs and all in there too.
I will probably not fit.
Now, if you won't fit, I can pull this out. Maybe put some sort of cushion, like maybe the cushion on the right on the back out there, so that you can drive it. I'm just saying that so you have that to think about.
Yeah. And in case y'all don't know, I'm only 6 feet tall, but my legs are actually 7 feet long.
Right. But the good part about that is if you're sitting over there and riding, it's so much more pleasant than it used to be. And I don't know if you remember the last time you rode it, but it may not.
I don't. I think the last time I rode in it, I was driving.
That's a merciful loss of memory right there. So I think what I may do is go grab my wallet and come back, and we'll start it and we'll just go somewhere a little bit. See what happens.
Yeah.
You into that?
Sure.
And in the meantime, you might want to consider whether or not you can fit in there in that seat and all. I'll be right back. I put this on here because sometimes it sticks to the back of your legs, especially if it's hot out, which is not today, but I thought I'd go ahead and throw it in there anyway.
Yep.
Any questions? Concerns? Thoughts? Instructions? Anything? Slam that door extra hard when you get in.
Oh, yeah.
How are you? How are you, bro? You okay?
Oh, yeah. Perfect fit. Oh, we got seatbelts and everything?
Yeah. You didn't expect that kind of high technicality.
Did not.
No, absolutely not. You do. Your seat may be sitting on it.
Oh.
Because I don't think anybody's ridden over there. Because it could be. Sometimes I sit that seat down. It kind of gets.
Oh, that ain't gonna fit.
Okay. You can let it out.
Of course, I just don't fit that well in the car.
Is it stuck under the seat? Because you should have.
No, just don't fit.
Okay, then we're just gonna go au natural.
Oh wait, I don't have power steering. Got a little bounce. He's gonna ride. By the way, if the cop pull us over, you're driving. Pretty good for not being cameraman? Oh man. Let's see, I think it's running. We just got to go up the hill. Oh, we got a little wet.
Yeah.
Feel that?
suggesting the cake idle a little bit.